one of the things I like to look back at time when I talk about open source is Spring. Okay, Spring's a good example of a open source toolkit that started open source and has remained open source to this day, and has just recently celebrated its 20th birthday. That arose as the software in a book that Rod Johnson wrote, where he was challenging some of the assumptions and some of the driving things going into what was the Java 2 Enterprise Edition version of Java, what was called Enterprise Java, or as we said back in the day, J2EE. It seemed like Java at the time, being a spec-driven language, there's a specification for the Java language and every feature in it, and there seemed to be some stickiness to that, some element of stuffiness, and it seemed as if not everything coming out of Java at that time was ideal. Part of this is Rod Johnson was a consultant. He worked for shops. He was very familiar with enterprise Java and how it worked, and he knew some of the hiccups he ran into working with it, trying to serve his customers. So he started having a new approach to things, a new idea on how to do stuff, and so he started noodling out ideas, and that ended up becoming a book. Now, what had happened was some other key people of the Java community read his book, and they banded together to form a company around it.